Hi, this is the third help video for Excel Chapter 6 Guided Project 6.3. And we left off in the last movie at step 9 where we built this criteria to find the information from our satisfaction survey regarding rugged hiking boots. And remember, we set it up by coming over here to criteria and putting what we were looking for. So we're going to continue that process for the rest of these products, right? So the next one is comfy walking shoes. So I'm going to start it by coming over into the criteria. And what I like to do is just do all my criterias and then go back. So for this second set of criteria, I'm just going to put COM asterisk. That's going to be my comfy. And then down here in B8, I'm going to do LAZ asterisk. And then SER asterisk and GLI asterisk. And so those are going to comfy, lazy flip-flops, seriously tall boots, glide running shoes. So that's what we've got here. Comfy, lazy, serious, and glide. So we have all that set up. Now we want to come back to our average rating sheet and set this up. So one of the things when I did this is you know, I didn't absolute reference this to comfort. So I think, I mean, there's a couple ways I can do it, but let's see what they want us to do. All right, so C6. We're going to do insert, well, let's do recently used, D average. So the database, we're going to do our F3 and it's going to be our survey, right? Same thing. And then the field is C4. And the criteria, we're going to go over to the criteria. And this time we're going to do B4 through B5 and make that absolute. Because when we copy it across, we want to stay here at this. We're going to do OK. And it's supposed to be 7.5. So that's good. I'm going to copy that across. And then I'm going to build the rest of these. So it's the same thing. Recently used, D average, database is the same database, so F3 survey. The field is the same, but in here, I mean, they don't want you to, but you could make it a mixed reference to row 4, and then when you copied it across. But we have to rebuild each one because each have a different criteria anyhow. So we're going to go to criteria. This time it's this right here, right? Product is lazy, 4.9. I'm going to go down seriously tall, recently used, D average, F3 survey. Field is comfort, criteria sheet, but this time we're doing lazy. F4. Make sure I did F4 there. I didn't. You guys at home are probably like, hit your F4. Okay, so I went back up to this lazy flip-flops. Oh, did I do lazy twice? I did. All right, I'm going to delete those. Let's do those again. Let's do lazy flip-flop. So we're going to recently used, D average, database, F3 pick survey. Field is comfort. Criteria sheet, product, lazy, F4. Okay. Seriously tall, recently used, D average, database F3 pick survey. Field is comfort. Oops. Go down to comfort, Helen. Field, comfort, criteria. This time it's these two, right? F4, okay. Let me do that one again. Recently used, D average, F3 survey. Field, comfort. Criteria, product, boom. Okay. I don't know why I keep saying value. All right, last one. Recently used, D average, F3, survey, okay. C4, criteria, F4, okay. So now I have one for each of these, and I can just copy those across. Cool. All right. So we built this. Okay, so let's just take a quick peek here. Just want to see if we're doing okay. Boy, it's hard to read. Okay. Let's go on back down, and we're done with that. All right, so step 12. Select cells G5 through G9. On the average rating, click Auto Sum. Oops. Average. Now, Helen. Control Z that. So I have it selected. Want to click on the arrow, pick average. So it gives the average for all of these. All right, create an ifs function. I think I'm going to stop the movie here and do the ifs function on its own, even though this is a short movie. All right, I'm going to save this, and I'm going to stop because the ifs is a little complex.